Hello, BB aspirants. So, a big news is coming from Symbiosis, who have released their SAT entrance examination dates and admission policy. Now, usually, Nasi Munji is the first college or the university who releases their admission policy for BBA aspirants. But this year, the race has been won by Symbiosis, and they have come up with the exam dates, the test structure, and everything. So, to all those students or aspirants who are seriously preparing for ITMAT entrance examination or NAS and PET entrance examination or other BB entrance examination, this video is for you guys. Watch this video till the end because you'll get to know about everything that you must know about SAT entrance examination. And yeah, if you like this video, do hit the like button. Also share this video to as many aspirants as you can, to your family members and to your friends. And if you like our videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel because that motivates us a lot. This is Jay Chandani from Tarik Shastra, and let's begin with our video. So if we go to the website of Symbiosis International University, we'll see that they have at the home page they have updated that yes, you can apply now for SAT entrance examination. Now let's just go through the overview of SAT examination. What all courses you can apply through SAT entrance examination, right? So it clearly states that candidates aspiring to join any of the following. What things? So BBA honors with research, BBA media management, BCA honors with research, BBA information technology, BA mass communication, BSc economics, BSc statistics and data science, which is again a new age course, one of its kind, BBA dual degree honors with research, and BSc sports and exercise science. So if you want to pursue any of these courses, you will have to apply for SAT entrance examination. So programs offered by institute, mandatory computer based test since 2018 SAT. Right now, the good thing is that they have also mentioned that Symbiosis have been following National Education Policy 2020, and therefore they give the exit options to in their courses, in their 4-year curriculum courses. What are the options? So they say that the program frameworks allows exciting option to pursue single major, double majors, minors, opportunity to pursue multidisciplinary ability and skill enhancement courses, right? So the course is designed as if you can get yourself done with one major or probably single major or double major, and there are multidisciplinary courses also, right? So that's something that offers a good blend of immersive learning, research and community engagement, includes opportunity for semester exchange program with foreign universities. So if there's a good candidate who wants to get enrolled into foreign university, probably into the foreign exchange program, definitely you can apply for that too while staying in Symbiosis University. Right now, the exit options that are available are similar to the most of the colleges which are doing this days, such as IIM Sirmaur have also done this, which is that you can take the exit after first year and you'll get a certificate, right, with 44 credits. If you take the exit, if you exit the program after 2 years, you get 84 credits, and you get a diploma certificate. For if you exit the course after 3 years, then you get 120 credits with a UG degree, and you get a UG honors degree if you complete the 4 years complete, and you'll get 160 credits. Now, you also get the exit option and entry option, but the condition is that you can complete the course in 7 years. You have to do that, and you can take maximum 3 years gap. So let's say if for certain family condition or some emergency condition, you have to live the or exit the course by second year. You have taken the diploma. After 3 years, till 3 years, you have the time limit to join again in the Symbiosis college and complete your degree. That's something that National Education Policy offers, right? So this is it basically. These are the colleges. You can just go through the colleges on the website. the courses offered, like the BCA course or BBA course offered by different Symbiosis colleges, right? I'll just move on to the test structure of the Symbiosis entrance test. So if we see the test structure that Symbiosis entrance test offers is, so there are 4 sections and the total questions are 60 and the marks they offer is 60. Now, general English has 16 questions and 16 marks. Quantitative aptitude have 16 questions and 16 marks. General awareness is a bit new section for you, for someone who has been preparing for IP MAT or BB entrance examination. Though yes, general awareness बहुत ज़्यादा tricky नहीं रहेगा. It is usually easy. A lot of static GK will be asked. So 16 number of questions, 16 marks. And then of course you have analytical and logical reasoning, which will be 12 number of questions and 12 marks, right? Now you have to understand that for each correct answer you'll get +1 and there is no negative marking. I'll make a video on cutoff definitely. Let me know through comment box if you need a video on cutoffs and the marks that you must score. Though I'll just mention here also that a good mark will be somewhere around 45. अगर आपको 45 marks के आसपास आते हैं तो आपको इंटरव्यू के लिए कॉल आ जाते हैं. ओके, सो द सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस इज, you after you clear the examination you'll get calls for PI and आपका PI भी होगा. So final merit list कैसी रहती है? It is usually the test that the marks that you get in your test, that is 60, उसको upgrade कर दिया जाता है 70 marks से निकाला जाता है and then 30 marks are considered from your personal interview and out of 100 marks आपकी जो rankings हैं या जो आपकी जो merit list है वो finally आती है, right? Yeah. So now the test will be conducted on 2 days. Okay, कौन से दिन पर होगा? So it will be on 5th of May, which is a Sunday, and 11th of May, which is a Saturday. 2 attempts आप लोग दे सकते हैं and आपके जिस भी attempt में highest score आता है, you will be like that marks will be calculated for your final merit list, right? The time for SCT entrance examination will be 9 AM to 10 AM. तो आपका morning slot में ही exam हो जाएगा. It's a 1 hour examination, 60 minute, 60 questions. Okay, and yeah, so all sections are mandatory and then there is no negative marking. I guess that's it. Test structure. If we just go to the important dates so that we are not missing out on the dates. Yes. So what are the important dates? So the registration opened from 6th of December and it will go till 12th of April. So you have to fill up the form. You have sufficient time to fill up the form. I'll definitely make a video on how to register yourself and how to fill up the form. Definitely you'll get the update probably tomorrow or day after tomorrow. So do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon also so that you get the notification once I've made a video on that. So yes, आप लोगों के पास टाइम है, एकदम हड़बड़ी में मत फॉर्म भरना. वेट, लेट मी अपडेट द वीडियो एंड देन प्रोबेबली आप लोग फॉर्म फिल कर सकते हैं. आपके जो एडमिट कार्ड्स हैं वो 25 अप्रैल पे लाइव होंगे. 25 अप्रैल सॉरी फॉर SCT एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशन फर्स्ट वाला जो अटैम्प्ट रहेगा और 30 अप्रैल फॉर समवन हु इज गिविंग द सेकंड अटैम्प्ट. अगर आप दोनों अटैम्प्ट दे रहे हो तो इस हिसाब से ही रहेगा. ठीक है, एंट्रेंस हम लोग ऑलरेडी देख चुके हैं. 5th मई को फर्स्ट अटैम्प्ट रहेगा और 11th मई को सेकंड अटैम्प्ट रहेगा. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट लेट्स गो टू हाउ टू रजिस्टर. लेट्स first check eligibility criteria. What are the eligibility criteria for different programs? So for Symbiosis Center for Management SCMS Pune, if you want to apply for SCMS Pune BBA program, आपकी जो eligibility रहेगी that will be pass standard 12th or equivalent examination from any recognized board with a minimum of 50% marks or equivalent grade, 45% marks or equivalent grade for SC ST candidates, right? Student who wish to opt for honors with research must earn a 7.5 CGPA and above at the end of semester 6. तो आप लोगों को अगर 4th ईयर कंटिन्यू करना है, आपको अगर ऑनर्स डिग्री चाहिए तो आपके 3 ईयर के प्रोग्राम में यू मस्ट हैव स्कोर्ड और सिक्योर्ड 7.5 CGPA मिनिमम. then only you will be eligible to continue for the 4th year. else आपको UG प्रोग्राम की डिग्री देके 3 years की UG प्रोग्राम की डिग्री देके आपको टाटा बाय बाय कर दिया जाएगा. eligibility criteria for the multiple entries would be as per universities lateral entry rules for FYUG programs. Again, we'll have to go through some of the rules for understanding this. Now, SCMS program, BBA honors, this is Noida, right? Same eligibility criteria will be there. SCMS Nagpur, again BBA, same eligibility criteria. Then SICSSR, which is Symbiosis Institute for Computer Studies and Research. BBA Information Technology, again same eligibility criteria is there. And in SICSR, अगर आपको BCA करना है तो again somewhat same percentage criteria, though you must have passed diploma in engineering or technology from any recognized board with a minimum of 50% marks, right? Or equivalent. Like if you have pursued diploma in engineering, right? अगर आपने 10th और 11th 12th नहीं करा, आपने डिप्लोमा ले लिया था, तब भी आप एलिजिबल हैं, लेकिन आपको 50% मार्क्स होने चाहिए, राइट? नेक्स्ट इज फॉर BA मास कम्युनिकेशन, अगेन देयर इज द सेम रूल, और अगर आपको ऑनर्स डिग्री करनी है तो आपको 7.5 CGPA होना चाहिए. दिस इज SCMS. BBA मीडिया मैनेजमेंट में अगेन यू हैव द सेम rule. Then you have Symbiosis School of Economics, which is in Pune, SSE. Again, the same criteria. There's no subject कि इकोनॉमिक्स होना ज़रूरी है. कुछ आपने जो भी पढ़ा हो अपने 11th 12th में, कुछ भी सब्जेक्ट्स पढ़े हो, बस आपका 50% मार्क्स होना चाहिए. Symbiosis Institute of Technology Pune, this is for BTech, so yeah, we can avoid this. SCMS Bangalore, again same, and yeah, it is mostly same now. So you can of course check this detail also, but it is mostly अगर आपके 50% marks हैं in your 10+2 or equivalent examination, then you are eligible for Symbiosis entrance test. Now let's go through how to register in Symbiosis entrance test, right? So to register a person, like, of course, you'll have to click on apply for SCT and stuff. But if there's any important news or important thing that we must go through, so register online on the website. Of course, we can do that. A candidate can appear for SCT on both, so you can apply on both the dates. Okay, and the highest, if a candidate appears for more than one test, the higher score will be considered for the final percentile calculation, right? तो आपको जो फाइनल मेरिट लिस्ट बनेगा उसमें जिसमें भी आप जो भी आपका अच्छा अटेम्प्ट होगा उसके मार्क्स कैलकुलेट होंगे. Upload your latest color passport size photo at the time of online registration. Your photograph should not be more than 4-month old, match with the photo that has been uploaded during registration. तो my suggestion would be, वैसे भी आपको photographs लगेंगे तो you can just go and click your photographs. एक फोटोग्राफ का कॉपी बना सकते हो आप लोग, और उसकी ही PDF फाइल भी ले लेना, सो दैट आप लोग वही फोटोग्राफ या स्कैन कॉपी, सो दैट आप लोग वही फोटोग्राफ अपने ऑनलाइन फॉर्म्स में यूज कर सकते हो, राइट? Ensure that the information you have filled is accurate. No changes shall be permitted after the registration under any circumstances, right? तो अगर आपके फॉर्म में कुछ भी गलती हो जाती है तो they will not take any changes or they will not allow you to change anything. आपको फिर दूसरे नंबर और दूसरे ईमेल आईडी से रजिस्टर करना पड़ेगा. एंड यू हैव टू एंश्योर कि आप लोग वही नंबर और रजिस्टर्ड आईडी से एडमिट कार्ड डाउनलोड करके और अपीयर करते हैं अपने फाइनल एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशन के लिए. तो ये आपको ध्यान रखना है, अगर आप फॉर्म फिलअप करते हैं तो प्लीज़ थोड़ा सा ध्यान से फॉर्म फिल करना. प्लीज़ वेट फॉर अ मेंटर टू गाइड यू प्रॉपरली. आई विल डेफिनेटली मेक अ वीडियो ऑन दैट टू, राइट? नेक्स्ट इज ऑल कम्युनिकेशन विद कैंडिडेट विल बी डन थ्रू द ऑफिशियल ईमेल एड्रेस. ये ईमेल एड्रेस रहेगा. Please ensure that those email addresses are whitelisted at your registered email. For all SCT 2025 update, join our Telegram channel. तो आप लोग ये Telegram channel ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. इसकी लिंक मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दूंगा. आप लोग डेफिनेटली ये वाला चैनल ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं, सो दैट आपको सिम्बाइसिस की तरफ से ऑफिशियल न्यूज़ मिलते जाए एंड आप अपडेटेड रहें रिगार्डिंग दी एग्जाम्स. एज सच वी विल ऑल्सो कीप यू अपडेटेड, बट अगेन you can be vigilant about yourself. And yeah, these are the colleges. Other than that, so the fee that you have to pay for filling up the form for each attempt is 2250. That means if you are applying for both the attempts, आपको 4500 rupees pay करने पड़ेंगे for the entrance examination. And फॉर ईच प्रोग्राम दैट यू वांट टू रजिस्टर योरसेल्फ आपको 1000 रुपीज़ पे करने पड़ेंगे. सो आप लोग किस प्रोग्राम में अप्लाई करना चाहते हो उसके लिए आपको बहुत श्योर होना चाहिए. इफ़ यू वांट कि आपको किसी प्रोग्राम के बारे में डाउट है, आपको जानना है कि सिम्बायोसिस के बीबी ऑनर्स के प्रोग्राम कैसे हैं या बीए मास कम्युनिकेशन का प्रोग्राम कैसा है, तो यू कैन डेफिनेटली कमेंट, reach out to us through comment box, and you can ask us to make a video. We'll definitely research on those degrees, how are they, what are the good colleges that you can opt for other than symbiosis, and of course you can compare. So आपका ये जो 1000 रुपीज़ का प्रोग्राम फी है वो बचेगा. आप लोगों को हर प्रोग्राम में अप्लाई करने की ज़रूरत नहीं रहेगी. सिर्फ बेस्ट प्रोग्राम जो है जो सिम्बायोसिस ऑफर करती है एंड जिसमें आपका इंटरेस्ट है आप लोग सिर्फ उसके लिए ही पैसा भरें, राइट. And this is gonna be non-refundable, right? Non-refundable, non-transferable. Yeah, I guess that's it. ये ही important news है जितना मैं देख सकता हूँ. Yeah. So SAT score will be valid only for admission to select programs of Symbiosis International for the academic year 2025-2026. And yeah, result will be declared on May 22nd, 2025, Thursday. And we will be available up till June 23, 2025. तो रिजल्ट जो है आपके इस वाली जो लिंक है उस पर अवेलेबल रहेंगे. तो यू कैन क्लिक ऑन दिस लिंक वंस द रिजल्ट्स विल बी आउट. 22 मई तक आपको रिजल्ट्स मिल जाएंगे एंड ये जो रिजल्ट्स है 23 जून तक अवेलेबल रहेंगे. सो yeah, that's it. Now definitely we will be making a video on how to fill up the form for SAT entrance examination, right? A symbiosis entrance test. And if you need other videos on some topics, you want to compare the courses offered by Symbiosis or Nasimunji, etc., you do let us know. We'll definitely make a video on those topics as well. Thank you for watching our video. Keep supporting us. God bless you all.